everyone, it's Miss Queen again. It's very nice to see you again in this video. So I'm gonna introduce you about the topic for this week and the next following week. The topic is farm animals. And in this video, I would like to show you the new vocabulary for this topic. Oh, wait, let's talk about farm animals a little bit, okay? So, farm animals live in the water? No. So, farm animals live in the forest? No way. So, farm animals live in where? Just tell me. Oh yes, they live in their farm, of course. Really good of you. And now on my hands are the new words for this topic. Farm animals. Are you ready to learn with me? Yes, very good. So let's start with the first animal. What animal is this? It's a cow. 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 Very good. Let's see what's next animal. What it is? What is it? It's a pig. 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 Very good. We go into the next animal. What is it? What is it? It's a donkey. 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 Very good. Let's see what's next animal. What is this animal? It's a goat. 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 Good job. Let's see what is the next animal. Yeah. It's a sheep. 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 Let's see what is the last animal. I think it's a horse. 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 Okay, now let's repeat after me. Cow. Cow. Very good. Pig. Pig. Very good. Donkey. Donkey. Goat. Goat. Good job. Sheep. Sheep. Nice job. Horse. Horse. Well done. And now we're gonna play a small game to learn the new words. Okay? Just help me close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. Tell me what's animal missing? What's animal missing? Very good. Cow. Cow is missing. Cow. Cow. One more time, okay? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Tell me what animal missing? What animal missing? Wow, well done. Sheep is missing. Sheep is missing. Sheep. Very good. Do you want to do one more time? Yes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. Tell me, what animal missing? What animal missing? Very good. So good job of you. Donkey is missing. Donkey. Donkey. We just learned about some new words for this topic. Farm animal. Now Miss will finish this video with a slideshow of the new words, okay? And please, you watch it carefully and repeat after you listen to the name of the animals, okay? So it's time to say goodbye to you and see you for the next video. Goodbye. Farm animals. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Pig, pig.